How you doing, guys? Chris here from Divergent Drones. Well, we have a new product announcement from Fat Shark. Fat Shark has posted a teaser photo of their new Dominator HDs. These new goggles are expected to be released in June, and there's going to be a debut of the new product at the Rampage FPV camp put on by Rotor Riot. As we take a look back at some of the old form factors of the Dominator V2 and the V3 goggles, we can see some similarities. But if you've ever owned a pair of Fat Shark goggles in the past, you'll know that they rest on their laurels. But I can honestly say they've done a complete redesign with these new goggles. They even have new SMA connectors with the RP SMA, which is commonly found on DJI goggles. Fat Shark has really cut back on the amount of buttons and knobs on these goggles as well. From the one picture, I only see 2. The fan could be internal, but all we see now is these small venting holes to the front of the goggles. These new Dominator HD goggles are a huge step up from the Fat Shark Scout HD that they produced just a few months ago. Stay tuned for more updates. I'm sure there's more to come. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.